this video is coming on for you guys. So I have the spring 2020 CauseBox. It starts out at $55 roughly per season, per quarter per se, and yeah. So it is a curated box. It's a lifestyle box that is for socially conscious brands. So let's open it up to see what we got. So inside is this cute little magazine. It will tell us all the products and what they are about. So, and on the back it says our mission is to bring sustainable, ethical products to everyone. And it comes with a referral card. So let's see if I can hold this up. This is what is in the box. So so here is the necklace. It's a two-tier necklace. Okay, so this is it's from Medallion, with love. Let's see how much it's cost at. Hi, so prepared. So it is valued at $36. So, and it's, you know, just right in front. An effortlessly simple statement piece. So this is like one you get to pick if you go into your account. To complement any outfit, proudly and ethically made by artisans and Medallion, Colombia. So I don't know if I'm pronouncing it. It's from Colombia. It's really pretty. I really like it. Well, it's not usually my color, but I do like this. It comes with a postcard every single time too. So it's a cute little postcard. Okay, so this is a grocery bag star kit, oh, you can't see it. So yeah, so it's just reusable grocery bags. So it's just a simple. So there's. Oh yeah. So here's two. Like a drawstring one, so, and then a couple of like cotton ones. So this is from Artisan Direct, and it's valued at $22. It's a 5-mesh Muslim starter pack, and they're made by a team in, I'm not going to pronounce this correctly, Jaipur, India, and so you can reduce on your plastic bag usage. So I think that is fantastic. And then we got a bento box and a really cute pinkish collar. And then so it comes with a top of utensils and then a couple layered container. I mean, none of us are going anywhere right now, are we? So, but it is a really cute to go lunch thing if you go to work. So that is Bent-to-Go box. A go-to container with 2 compartments, a built-in cutlery, sustainable replaces single-use plastics. Like I said, reducing all our single-use plastic usage. And if you buy it, it goes to feed the children, and it's at a $29 value. So we got a calm mood mist. So, oh, I'm not going to pronounce this. Cartier Offset. So it is a $30 mood mist that does it all. A natural aromatherapy Cartier Offset signature product can be used as an aid for focus, a support for sleep, a body straight, and everything in between. So that's pretty cool. I know my brain likes to go 1,000 miles an hour when I go to bed, so that might be a good thing for that. What else do we got here? So we got reparative eye cream. Oh, let me smell that calmness wherever I put it. So here's what the bottle looks like. It smells like lavender. I expected that for being a calm mist. So. Here's the eye cream. It's like an interesting mousse texture. Yeah, that's it's very watery feeling. So that is from Earth Harbor, and it's at a $34 value. I'm guessing this is not the full size, so I'm hoping not. A smoothing and firming all-natural iridescent eye cream, a combination of seaweed, collagen, blue tansy, plant oils, help replenish and restore the skin around the eyes. Okay. So here it is. It's like a spring summer color. Okay, and then it comes, here's the strap, and then it has like a middle compartment. So yeah. And it's from Pixie Moon. So that is Pixie Moon is called the Zoe Crossbody, and the choices were honey, black, or gray. So we got the honey color, and its value is $75. It's a timeless, everyday crossbody with a detachable strap, and can be styled up or down to made to last out of premium vegan leather. So. Let's see. We got bandana, and of course, in this time everyone's been looking for. And this says, my grandma always had bandana tucked in his. Grandpa had it tucked in his back pocket. As a kid, This band became a talisman for me, a symbol of courage and adventure. I made one for you. It's your talisman now. Be brave, be authentic. That is really cute. I like the pattern on this too. So that was like another thing I didn't get a chance to, but I think if you paid for the annual subscription, you get to go in and pick a couple of items in the box, and this was another one. So this was a beautifully bold band. It says from Jenny Earl, a wild and free bandana at $32 value. And then it was made in, Jaipur, India. A beautifully bold bandana meant to serve as a talisman for courage, adventure, and made ethically by artisans in Jaipur, India. I'm definitely saying that wrong, so sorry. Let's see what this box is valued at. So get out my phone here. So okay. I can't remember. I'll have to look. It's valued at $258 this month for us. I think it's a really good value. A lot of cute things this season. I'm really excited to get to use most of this stuff. So I will leave everything down below, and the values will be popping up on the screen too. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't know when I'm posting this. I have a regular crafting art video coming out every Friday, and if all my Instagrams, look down below and stick to the end card for more videos from me, and I will see you next time. Bye!